In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem of Outlook attachments not showing in your emails. We all know how frustrating it can be to expect an important file, only to find your email is missing the attachment you're waiting for. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot this issue step by step and hopefully get those attachments appearing as they should very soon. Let's start by navigating to Outlook and looking towards the upper left of your screen. You're going to click on the File tab. This File option is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes settings in Outlook. Sometimes the solution to our problems is just a click or two away, nestled here within various options. Once you've clicked File, a menu will appear, and from here, you'll want to direct your attention to the Options button. This is where you get to access the nuts and bolts of Outlook's configuration settings. Selecting Options will open a new window. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. We'll focus on exactly what we need to do. Now, within the Options window, there's a category on the left called Trust Center. Click on Trust Center. And this is where we can adjust how Outlook interprets your email security settings. Essentially, the Trust Center is a safeguard to keep your email safe, but sometimes it can be overly cautious and hide attachments. You'll notice another button within the Trust Center section, labeled Trust Center Settings. Go ahead and click on this button to open a brand new panel with more specific options regarding your email security. Once inside the Trust Center settings, look for the option labeled Email Security. This is the area that governs how your emails are displayed and managed in Outlook. It has some checkboxes and setting options that might be causing email attachments to not show up as expected. One specific setting to look for is Read All Standard Mail in Plain Text. If this option is checked, it may cause attachments to be hidden or not appear correctly. Plain text formatting might strip out attachments, so what you'll want to do is uncheck this option. Unchecking the box should allow Outlook to display all parts of the email, including the attachments. By making this change, many users find that their missing attachments reappear instantly. Remember, Outlook's security settings are meant to help, but sometimes adjusting them can restore functionality without compromising security. And that's it. With these easy adjustments, your attachments should start showing up immediately. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped solve your Outlook attachment woes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Have a great day.